A 2-in-1 light and ceiling fan that can be controlled via Alexa voice control is currently 25% off in a limited-time deal on Amazon. Many people will be bringing their fans and air conditioning units out of the cupboard and cooling the home down as the hotter weather heads towards the UK. Britain saw some scorching temperatures this weekend with highs of 26°C in some areas, so it is a good idea to try and ventilate the home to keep yourself cool this summer. One ceiling fan that also doubles as a bedroom light is currently on sale on Amazon, and it can be controlled just using your voice. This Chanfik Smart Ceiling Fan with lights is currently 25% off on Amazon, down from £189.99 to £142.61, that's a total saving of £47.39. This fan and light is fully compatible with Amazon Alexa that allows people to control both aspects of the gadget with just your voice. You can also control the bladeless fan by using a remote if you don't want to use Alexa. With night light settings, a sleep timer mode and a 6-speed fan, you can really make the room this fan is in the ultimate comfort space. Shoppers have hailed this 2-in-1 ceiling fan and light with over 100 bought in the last month and an average rating of 4.3 stars out of 5. One happy customer wrote, "Really impressed. Spent a while reading reviews and felt this would work best for us. It arrived quickly and was pretty straightforward to install." It noted others saying the wires were not the usual colors and so confusing to wire up, but on ours the wires had clear labels to make it easy to know how it was to be wired. So all in all, it took a very short time with a helper to get it up and working. Straight away the light worked as expected on the remote, and the fan is really quiet with several settings up to very fast, which again were not more noisy than we expected. Since we bought it for our bedroom, this was important, and it's no problem to sleep with it going. The light works great and really nice having the timer function for leaving the fan on for an hour or so until you fall asleep. Also the app connects easily and works great too, being Bluetooth it seems you can only let one device control the light at a time, so wife has remote and I have my phone. All in all, an fantastic product as well as being well made and looks perfect. Tech Deal of the Week: a hugely popular Amazon Fire tablet that shoppers say is perfect for binging your favorite films and TV shows is now on sale with an impressive discount. Currently costing £117.99 down from £149.99, the 2023 edition of the popular tablet is said to work faster than previous models, boasts a longer battery life and even more impressive features. This tablet is perfect for streaming, reading and listening to music without interruption or buffering thanks to its processor, which allows the device to work 25% faster than before. You can also store a great deal of podcasts, films and much more, so you don't need to download them, 32 GB of storage to be exact. The tablet is also available with 64 GB, although this is slightly more expensive at £147.99. And of course it's compatible with Alexa, Amazon's handy voice assistant, so you can carry out tasks such as checking the weather, making a shopping list or simply asking a question without even having to pick the tablet up. One shopper said, "This is a fantastic tablet. Very bright screen, good speed with no lag at all. Loads websites and apps very fast as well as being smooth when watching movies or YouTube videos. It's very light in terms of weight, yet it has very generous screen size. For the price, This is a worthwhile purchase. You can buy it here. Another said, easy to install and pair with Alexa. Light adjustment are simple via either voice control, remote or mobile, alike for the fan. The fan has forward, cool draft, or backward motion to move warm air from high to lower and has good overall displacement. Great overall product and good price. And a third added, lightweight and can be installed by one person. Bearing in mind its small size, both the fan and the light are very effective. Not cheap but functions well. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages. A fourth noted, looks stylish and easy to fit. I would have liked some slightly longer wire, earth live and neutral, in order to wire it up easier. However, it's easy to extend with blocks, fairly easy to install, and the setting it up on the app is a breeze. Very impressed with all features and lighting options too with the dimmer. One shopper did say that this gadget wasn't easy to fit, as they said, it would have got 5 stars but wasn't easy to fit. Works well, fairly quiet to be honest. Apart from it being louder at 6, it works just as well on 3. Light can be very bright. A must for the summer. Other ceiling fans are also available on Amazon, such as this Rega 91 cm flush mount modern DC low ceiling fan with dimmable light, £169.99, and the Wildcat ceiling fans with lights, £84.99. Argos also has this home modern remote control ceiling fan in black for just £115. You can check this 2-in-1 ceiling fan and light deal on Amazon here. Don't miss the latest news from around Scotland and beyond. Sign up to our